Today, I'm going to set up and play indoor bowling. The first thing that I need to do is I need to gather some sort of container. I am using old iced tea containers, but you could use water bottles or any container that your parent tells you that you can use. I need to set up my bowling alley. I'm going to set up my containers in rows. My back row will have 3 containers. Then this row will have 2 containers. You might want to move them in a little bit. And then my front row will have 3 containers like this. Now I need to have a sort of ball. I have a big tennis ball that my dog likes to chew on. I also have a tinier tennis ball, and then I have a roll of tape. First, I'm going to start by rolling my big tennis ball, because this would be the easiest. Ready? Look, I knocked some down. It's okay if I don't knock all of them down. I can just try it again. Yay! Now I have to pick them back up and put them back into their position. Now I'm ready to do it again. Maybe the big tennis ball was too easy. Now I'll try using a smaller tennis ball. Ready? Yay! 3 of them are still standing up, so that means I have to keep trying. I got 2, now I have 1 more. Uh-oh, I missed it, but that's okay. I can just keep trying. Yay! If a ball was too easy for you, we have something that could make it a little bit more challenging. But first, I have to set back up my bowling pins. You can try setting them up in different arrangements too. That might make it a little bit harder. Now I'm going to try to roll a roll of tape and see if I can knock them down. Ready? I only knocked down 1 that time. See, I told you this would be harder. Ready? Let's try again. I got a couple that time too. I got more that time. I have 2 left. Let's see if I can get it with this one. Uh-oh, it's okay. We can just keep trying. This is such a fun game. Uh-oh, it's okay though. If it's too hard or too easy for you, you can try bowling from a different length. If it's too hard, you might want to move closer. If it's too easy, you might want to move back. Since I can't knock down these, I might want to try to move closer.